Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. So in this video, we will show you how to add funds to your Steam wallet. So the first thing first, open the Steam app on your mobile then. Tap on your profile then. After this, you will see the option Add Funds. Then please click on it. And here you are going to go to view your wallet. So on this page is where you'll see your current wallet balance, as well as where you can redeem a Steam gift card or wallet code, as well as where you can just add funds. Now the minimum amount you can add in Canadian at least is $5 all the way up to $100. And then tap on the Add Funds. Then if you have a payment method, you'll want to enter it here. Now they do accept Visa, MasterCard, PayPal, and Pay Save Card. Believe a few others, so go ahead and input your payment method, and then agree to the terms of the Steam subscriber agreement and press Purchase now. If it's gone through, you'll get a thank you for your purchase confirmation and email sent to your email, as well as a purchase receipt. So if we go to Return to Store, you'll see in the top right corner, now we've added $25 to the account. If this video was helpful, like and subscribe, and we'll see you in the next one. Thanks for watching.